Yeah, hi, this is Nancy calling from Healthcare Support. How are you doing today?
How are you doing? You sound so energetic, so full of energy. How are you doing today? I'm doing good.
Okay, God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, most of the people are not getting benefits for the new year. That's why we are calling you
What kind of
just to make sure.
what kind of benefits?
Okay, sir, my medical agent will give you the further details. My job is just to verify
But
that you are Medicare Part A and B.
you sound so energetic. You sound so cute. What's your name? You sound
My
so
name is Nancy.
you sound so cute.
Uh-huh.
You sound like you're
So
little.
may I?
You sound young. You sound so cute. I like your voice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I like
Okay,
your
thank
voice.
you.
I like your voice, and I make
Uh-huh.
you. Yeah, you sound cute, Nancy. And Nancy, what?
Okay. So,
What's your
sir,
last name?
just to make sure,
Nancy, what?
it's it's Nancy Williams.
Nancy Williams. You sound so cute.
Yes.
You sound
Okay,
like
thank you.
you sound like you're about 5 feet tall. You sound short, but you sound like
Uh-huh.
you sound so cute.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You don't mind
So,
me saying that, do you?
now,
Are you married? You have a boyfriend or no? I ask all kinds of questions. Are you married? You got a boyfriend?
I didn't think so.
Are you blushing? Am I making you blush a little bit?
Okay, just hold on, sir. Just hold on,
No, what's the matter?
just give,
No, I want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to nobody else. I want to talk to you. So I'm asking, are you married? You have a boyfriend?
okay,
So are you
what are
married?
you talking about?
I'm asking, are you married? Do you have a boyfriend? And I like your accent.
If I'm saying I'm married, so what can you do?
If you're married, you're married.
Uh-huh.
If you're
So,
married,
may I have your name?
my
Can you
name
tell me your name? What's your name?
my name's Felipe. And your
Can you spell
accent,
it for me?
Felipe, Felipe.
Felip. Felip. What's the beautiful name? And your last name?
My middle name Agapito.
It's Peter?
No, my middle name is Agapito, Agapito. My last name
A-G-A?
Agapito.
Okay, I got it.
And
So, may I have your zip code?
my last name is Sanchez, Sanchez. So, but you didn't ask, but see, Sanchez. So
Okay, I got it. So, may I have your zip code?
you didn't answer my question. Are you married?
Okay, just hold on. Just verify some details and I will tell you.
53206 and what
53206.
6.
Okay, so
So are
may
you
I have
married?
your age?
So are you married? So you married or no?
Can you tell?
Me, I'm 65. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. This is Lindsay. I'm calling you from Healthcare Support. How are you?
So what happened to Nancy? And who's this? Lindsay? What happened to
Sir,
Nancy?
this is,
So what happened to Nancy? She got
sir,
shy? And she,
no, she is not getting shy. So actually, she has the throat problem. So
no,
may I have?
she got shy. She got shy. She had to mute the
Oh,
phone because I asked her if she's married. Are you married?
no, I'm not married.
Oh, that's good.
I am Lindsay.
Lindsay, that's good. You're not married. You got a boyfriend?
Boyfriend. No, I don't want any boyfriend.
Oh, that's good too. That's fine. And you sound young.
Okay.
You sound young.
I'm 21 years old.
Oh, that's very young. You sound cute too.
Okay. So, how old are you?
How do I sound to you?
You want to meet with me?
Now,
What you are saying?
how do I sound to you?
You want to phone me?
What was that?
Okay, so just tell me that you have Medicare Part A and Part B.
Yes, ma'am.
So come back to the topic.
Okay, but do I sound old? And I'm 65. 420,
You're 65.
420,
Okay, so you're
1956. Yeah.
19.
But I like talking to young women. I'm single.
Okay, you're single. You're not married right now?
No, ma'am.
You're 65 years old.
No.
You're single. Oh.
But I look like 50.
Okay.
But I look like
Drinkable.
I'm about 50.
It looks like about 50. Okay. So you can I have your WhatsApp number?
WhatsApp? What's your,
Yeah.
what? Why?
So I will contact you because right now we are.
Oh shit. The probably called back. What? I like messing with these female scammers when they call me. But hey, let me know what you think about this one. Like, comment, subscribe. But let's see if they call me back. They call me back, I'll record. But y'all have a good day, and I'll holler at y'all. Alright then, peace.